Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal, the channel where we simplify recipes. I'm your host Nitin and I'm back again with a very quick salad recipe. It's going to be some lettuce, green, cherry tomatoes and some more veggies, and we're going to make a delicious yogurt based fresh herb dressing with it. So before I start the recipe and tell you how to do it, make sure you press that thumb icon to like our recipe videos. If you are new to the channel, press that red button to subscribe and press bell icon to get an instant notification of our videos. So let us start and make some nice green salad. So these are our lettuce greens, or the leafy greens, which we use in, they are also known as salad greens. So we have sorted their leaves and checked and discarded if any of them are already wilted. So the next thing is we're going to chop them, but to make them nice and crispy, you need to give them a wash in a nice ice cold water, and then we need to drain that water also. So I'm going to show you how to do that home, but first thing is actually to chop these leafy greens. So let us take them and give them a nice bite size pieces chop, and you can give a one more like this. Now these are the core of the lettuce, just give them a rough chop like this. Then we have few rocket leaves, we are just going to add them just like that. So our lettuce greens are ready. What we are going to do is to add them to a pan or any deep vessel you have, and just add the ice cold water to it. You need to soak them in ice cold water for around 8 to 10 minutes. By the time we will finish our dressing, if you want, you can add few ice cubes to this water as well. So just give them a toss, so that will remove also if there is any fine dust on them. So let's keep this aside and make our dressing for the green salad. So for our yogurt dressing, we are taking a fresh yogurt. This is around 150 grams of it. We'll add little bit of salt as per taste. One-fourth teaspoon of mustard and a tablespoon or so of honey. Give it a good whisk to make a nice smooth consistency. So now the time is to add fresh herb to our dressing. Now I got some fresh thyme, so you can use any of the fresh herbs. So this is finely chopped fresh thyme leaves. We'll add around a teaspoon of them. Then I have got a fine chopped parsley, which I'll add around a teaspoon, and then some black pepper. Black pepper you can add as per your taste. So that's the delicious looking salad dressing is ready, and it's very healthy also because we have not used mayonnaise or anything. Now the first step is to drain our lettuce of that ice cold water and make it nice and crispy. And then just you can remove all the water like this and leave it in the fridge for around 5 to 6 minutes so that all the water comes out. It's time to build the other ingredients of the salad. So we are using some shredded red cabbage. So this is around 1 cup. Around 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, which we have cut into half. 1 medium size onions, which was cut into rings. So this is a red onion. And 1 cucumber, which has been removed the seeds and sliced into strips like this. We will be adding some pomegranate, fresh pomegranate for some contrast and color. and give this a light mix. So once you mix this, then when you add the salad greens, you don't have to toss it much because these ingredients take little more time to mix. So give it a good mix. Wow, that looks delicious. Now the greens will add a more color to it. So our lettuce greens are nice and crispy and they are dry. So let us add them to our rest of the salad and give it a light toss. First just give a toss just like that, and now we will add the dressing as well. Wow, look at that color. So let us add that delicious yogurt, herb and mustard dressing and give it a good mix. Wow, and your delicious salad is ready. Isn't that quick and simple? So that was such a fresh and easy recipe. Make sure you press that thumb icon to like the recipe. Make sure you make this summery, nice, cool salad and enjoy it. And press that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Press the bell icon to get an instant notification. And until we meet again with fantastic recipes like this, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.